In this video, we will talk about 10 U.S. cities offering the best incentives for remote workers. As remote work continues to gain popularity, many U.S. cities are offering attractive incentives to lure professionals to their areas. These incentives range from financial grants to relocation assistance, all aimed at making the transition smoother and more appealing. Whether you're looking for a vibrant city life, a lower cost of living, or a blend of both, several cities across the country are rolling out the welcome mat for remote workers. 1. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tulsa, Oklahoma has become a popular destination for remote workers thanks to its innovative Tulsa Remote program. This initiative offers a substantial financial incentive of $10,000 to help remote workers move to the city. This grant is designed to cover moving costs and initial living expenses, making the transition smoother for newcomers. Additionally, the program provides access to co-working spaces, where remote workers can set up their home office away from home. This ensures that they have a professional environment to work in, fostering productivity and networking opportunities. The city also offers a vibrant community with numerous events and social gatherings tailored for newcomers, helping them integrate into Tulsa's friendly and welcoming atmosphere. With a cost of living that is significantly lower than the national average, remote workers can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without the financial strain often associated with big cities. Tulsa's low housing costs, combined with the program's benefits, make it an attractive option for those looking to relocate. Tulsa's quality of life is enhanced by its rich cultural scene, diverse culinary options, and numerous parks and recreational areas. The city's growth in tech and innovation also offers exciting professional opportunities. For those who appreciate a blend of urban convenience and small-town charm, Tulsa presents a compelling option for remote work. 2. Chattanooga, Tennessee. Chattanooga, Tennessee is another city actively pursuing remote workers through its Chattanooga Remote program. This initiative provides a $1,000 bonus to help cover relocation expenses. While this amount may not be as substantial as some other cities' incentives, it is supplemented by additional benefits such as local tax incentives and access to co-working spaces. These incentives are aimed at making the transition to Chattanooga both financially and logistically smoother. Chattanooga is known for its picturesque scenery and vibrant downtown area. The city is nestled between mountains and rivers, offering ample outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and water sports. This natural beauty, combined with a moderate cost of living, makes Chattanooga an appealing choice for those who enjoy an active, nature-centered lifestyle. The city's growing tech scene and supportive community create a conducive environment for remote workers. Networking opportunities and social events further enhance the experience, helping newcomers quickly feel at home. For those looking for a balance between urban and outdoor life, Chattanooga offers a unique and attractive option. 3. Austin, Texas. Austin, Texas is renowned for its dynamic tech scene and cultural vibrancy. The city's Austin Tech and Startup initiative targets tech professionals and entrepreneurs, offering various incentives such as grants and funding opportunities for startups. While not a direct relocation grant, these incentives are designed to support remote workers and entrepreneurs by providing financial assistance to grow their businesses. Austin's appeal extends beyond its financial incentives. The city is famous for its live music scene, cultural diversity, and innovative spirit. With numerous tech meetups, industry events, and co-working spaces, Austin provides a thriving environment for remote workers. The cost of living is higher compared to some other cities on this list, but it is balanced by higher average salaries and a wealth of professional opportunities. Austin's quality of life is enhanced by its extensive green spaces, vibrant cultural festivals, and excellent food scene. For those who thrive in a bustling, creative environment and are willing to manage a higher cost of living, Austin offers a stimulating and rewarding place to live and work. 4. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Grand Rapids, Michigan offers a generous relocation incentive through its Experience Grand Rapids program, which provides $10,000 to new residents. This grant is intended to help with moving costs and initial expenses, making it easier for remote workers to settle into the city. In addition to the financial support, Grand Rapids provides community assistance to help newcomers integrate into local life. The city's cost of living is notably low, which, combined with the relocation grant, makes Grand Rapids an attractive option for those seeking affordability. The low housing costs and general expenses allow remote workers to enjoy a high quality of life without financial strain. Grand Rapids is known for its vibrant art scene, friendly community, and proximity to natural attractions like lakes and parks. The city's welcoming atmosphere and cultural amenities make it an appealing choice for remote workers who appreciate a balance of urban and natural environments. Grand Rapids offers a supportive community and an enriching lifestyle for those who choose to relocate. 5. Savannah, Georgia. Savannah, Georgia offers incentives for remote workers through its Savannah Remote program, which includes relocation assistance and tax benefits. This program aims to attract remote workers by providing financial support to cover moving expenses and offering reduced local taxes. Savannah is celebrated for its historic charm, beautiful architecture, and mild climate. The city's cost of living is moderate, with affordable housing and general expenses. This, combined with the program's incentives, makes Savannah a compelling choice for those looking for a blend of history and modern amenities. The quality of life in Savannah is enriched by its picturesque streets, vibrant cultural scene, and outdoor recreational opportunities. The city's slower pace of life and friendly atmosphere create a relaxed environment that is ideal for remote work. Savannah's unique character and welcoming community make it a desirable destination for remote workers seeking both history and modern comfort. 6. Boise, Idaho. Boise, Idaho is attracting remote workers with its Boise Remote Workers program, which offers relocation stipends and access to co-working spaces. The financial support helps cover moving expenses, while the availability of professional workspaces ensures that remote workers have a conducive environment for their work. Boise's cost of living is relatively low, with affordable housing and living expenses, making it an economical choice for remote workers. The city is known for its outdoor activities, including hiking and biking, as well as its growing tech and startup scene. Boise offers a high quality of life with its mix of urban and natural elements. The city's friendly community, combined with its recreational opportunities and low cost of living, creates an attractive environment for remote workers. Boise's supportive infrastructure and natural beauty make it an appealing destination for those seeking a balanced lifestyle. 7. Fayetteville, Arkansas. Fayetteville, Arkansas is welcoming remote workers through its Fayetteville Remote program, which provides relocation bonuses and community support. The financial aid helps with moving costs, while the program offers assistance in finding housing and integrating into the local community. Fayetteville's low cost of living and affordable housing make it an attractive option for remote workers. The city's vibrant culture, outdoor recreational opportunities, and friendly atmosphere enhance the quality of life for newcomers. The community support, combined with the city's natural beauty and cultural offerings, creates a welcoming environment for remote workers. Fayetteville's blend of affordability and quality of life makes it an appealing choice for those looking to relocate. 8. Charleston, West Virginia. Charleston, West Virginia offers relocation incentives through its Charleston Remote Workers Initiative. This program provides financial support for moving and settling in, along with access to co-working spaces and community integration efforts. The city's cost of living is very low, with affordable housing and general expenses. Charleston's mix of urban and rural living, combined with its rich history and natural landscapes, offers a unique setting for remote workers. Charleston's friendly atmosphere, cultural heritage, and outdoor recreational opportunities contribute to a high quality of life. The city's affordability and welcoming community make it an attractive option for those seeking a supportive environment for remote work. 9. St. Petersburg, Florida. St. Petersburg, Florida is drawing remote workers with its St. Pete Remote program, which includes relocation bonuses and community support. The financial aid helps with moving costs, while the city offers access to a variety of co-working spaces. St. Petersburg's cost of living is moderate, with reasonable housing and living expenses. The city's beautiful beaches, cultural attractions, and warm climate enhance the quality of life for remote workers. The combination of financial incentives, supportive community, and vibrant lifestyle makes Petersburg a desirable destination for those seeking a sunny, active environment. The city's mix of urban amenities and natural beauty provides a well-rounded experience for remote workers. 10. Little Rock, Arkansas. Little Rock AR offers the Little Rock Remote Program to support remote workers with moving costs and community integration. Its affordable living, friendly atmosphere, and blend of urban and natural settings make it an appealing relocation choice. Choosing the right city to relocate to as a remote worker can significantly impact both your professional success and personal well-being. The cities highlighted offer various incentives and a high quality of life, each catering to different preferences and needs. By exploring these options, remote workers can find a location that not only supports their career goals, but also enhances their overall lifestyle. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.